Today we'll be looking at an advanced testing of the stochastic indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the stochastic indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 52 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 740 indicators, with 295 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And we have also retested at this point in the advanced testing 2 indicators. This one will be the third, and 2 of them have been winners, the best one with a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today we are doing the advanced testing on the stochastic indicator, and so we're taking those winners, those 700 and some odd winners that we have on the tested list, and the 200 and some odd winners that we have on the tested list, and we are running them through an advanced testing where we put them through a more significant testing process to see how they hold up over a larger number of trades rather than just a 1 year's time. And so in this particular case, we are doing this stochastic indicator, as I said. And so in this particular case, how we used the indicator was a overbought, oversold type scenario, very similar to like the RSI. And so I have gone in and bumped up the line weight of the %K, and I turned off the %D line on this particular case. And what we are looking for is when the %K, the blue line here, breaks up above the 80 mark, this top line, or when it breaks down below the 20 mark, this bottom line. And once it does that, we are then looking for it to cross back into this center zone. So for example, if it breaks up above here, above the 80, we are looking for it to cross then back down below that 80, and that would be a short signal. On the reverse side, when we get a break to the downside below that 20 mark, we are then looking for it to then cross back up above that 20 marker, and that would be a long signal. And so for example, right here, we get the break of the bottom line there, the 20 marker, and then it crosses back up above right about there, and we get a really nice push to the upside there. And on the very next one, we get a break to the upside there, and then we get a cross back below about right there, and we get a decent little push to the downside there, probably also getting us to our take profit. And so that's how we tested it the initial time. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through most of the testing. I'm not sure, again, if I got through all the 50. I did 50 trades on this one, 50 trade test. I'm not sure if I got through all 50 during the recording. And again, I try my best to record the entire testing, but sometimes, again, I just do it kind of sporadically as I'm in my office doing things. And so, like I said, I'll go ahead and fast forward through that testing process, and then we'll pick it up on the other side and we'll take a look at what this was able to achieve. All right, so we are back on this side of it after the testing. Let's see this real quick. Go ahead and give a shout out to our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. This is our Discord server. Here we have a Patreon only channel for our patrons. Some really great advanced information that we put in here. Sasquatch is an amazing Forex trader giving constant market analysis on trades and charts, stuff like that he's working on. Our admin Jay does analysis on the futures market, and myself, I am doing day trading on the S&P 500, trying a small account challenge, trying to grow a small account as far as I can get it, as quick as I can grow it, with maintaining some caution as I'm doing it. For example, today I ended the day up $168, which may not seem like a whole lot, but the account is sitting only at about $2,800, and so all in all, $168 on less than $3,000 is a pretty good day altogether. And so if you are not part of our Patreon, I highly recommend you join it. It's very super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all, and you can join us here and get some advanced information and, again, some kind of personal guidance and coaching. I'm working with one of the members right now to see if we can't tweak and work on some of the strategies that he's been playing with recently. And so, again, lots of great stuff. All right, let's jump back over here and go ahead and take a look at our testing here. So again, I did a 50 trade test on this particular one, and this will probably be about normal 50 trades. Again, sometimes I'll do 100 if I have the time and I'm just going along, but we'll mostly do about 50 trades, because that is a pretty good baseline of what a indicator is able to achieve. And so out of those 50 trades, we had 24 winners and we had 26 losing trades. And so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. This will be the first indicator that hasn't, out of the retest process, that hasn't met that 60% criteria. And so it is definitely no secret that we are going to end up with some losing indicators during this stage. We're not going to maintain every single indicator, and so this is one of those examples where in the original test it did okay, but in the long-term testing it wasn't able to hold up over that kind of scrutiny that we put it under. And so that's it for this one. Like I said, I will try to we'll be doing these, like I said, at least 3 times a week, something like that, 2 or 3 times a week. And so that's it for this one. Like I said, I'll go ahead and end the video here, and I think on the next video we'll probably do a strategy test and take a look at a strategy and see what we can get out of that. So I'll see everyone on the next video.